Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Tonight, and I should say tonight because I'm over here at the club, there's people doing stuff in the background, but I really want to get more progress on this game, so I'm going to make a quick video before I stuff this game into the row and kind of wait for the wax on it to dry and hopefully make a little bit more progress. But let me show you guys what I've done. This is the Gottlieb Caveman I've been working on, and what I've done thus far is I pulled most of the boards and I have added all of the ground mods. This game did not have all of the recommended System 80 ground mods. I also added a capacitor, a memory cap to the CPU board. So I'll go over the mods. You'll see all of these green wires that are terminating on a little block down here. And that's my master ground plane right there. So basically I have almost every board, I have an extra ground wire run from every board. On the MPU, it's right here. And if you go on pinballhelp.com, there's a detailed guide. It's associated with Haunted House, where I have pictures of each individual board. But if you do Gottlieb System 80 ground mod, you'll see them. So there's where I'm tapped into the MPU board. This is the power driver board. It's not on the solenoid coil side, and that goes over here. And then this is the power supply for the sound card. So there's a tap underneath it. And then this is the sound and speech board, and the tap is right up here. Can you see that with my fingers? Let's see. Right here, the second little dot is the ground up here. They're all going over to this ground block down here. Now, this is an alternate power supply that came with the game when I got it. I've got the original power supply, but I'm just going to keep this in here. So I've tied, it has a ground lug on it, so I've tied all the grounds together, and then there's one other wire that runs all the way into the front of the game and grounds against the ground plane inside of the cabinet for the power supply. So that is, I've got all of this basically set up. I've also put LEDs in the game, and let's turn it on real quick just to see what's going on. So there it is. Let's just turn it on. So, and bam, the game's coming up. Looks pretty nice. Look at the display. And so I'm going to be doing a little bit more cosmetic work on the game. I also rebuilt all the pop bumper boards on the underside too. And since I've done videos on that before, I didn't really go into any details, but you can find that on my website, pinballhelp.com. So we've got the game booted up, and in the next series of videos, I'm going to be going on my progress. Hopefully, we'll get to a point now where I'll be able to show the gameplay and demo the game in a pinball showcase. So stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.